In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert PDF files to JPG files. The first solution is an online tool that works for all platforms. Go to your browser and search for PDFgear. This is the official website for PDFgear. Choose the PDF to JPG feature in the online tools and upload the PDF that you want to convert to JPG. Wait a minute for the conversion process to finish. The converted files will be zipped into an archive. Download the archive and you can get the JPG files. Please note that this online tool can only convert one PDF file at a time. The conversion quality of images is excellent. Here it is, the JPG file that has been converted from the original PDF. The second solution is for iPad users. Please open the PDF with PDFgear. Then choose the Convert feature here. Choose the JPG format and click the Convert button. After the conversion, the JPG files will be saved in a folder. Save the JPG file to Photos for your convenience. Now you can view or share the JPG image more conveniently. The third solution is an app for Windows and Mac users. Open PDFgear and add the PDF files here. Select Advanced Mode for online conversion, which will take longer. PDFgear will put the converted images of each PDF file in a folder. The converted image will not be distorted. You can still see the brush strokes clearly in the JPG file. You can also convert images to PDF using PDFgear. Add all images to PDFgear. Here is the feature to choose if output them into one PDF. Change the order of files in the output PDF if necessary. Here is the converted PDF file containing all the images. Of course, you can convert each image to a separate PDF file. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.